day, that is on 26th January, the Constitution of India, adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949, came into force and made India a sovereign, democratic republic committed to secure to all its citizens justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Let me begin with the landmark steps taken towards peace and development in Tripura. On March 2, 2024, a historic tripartite agreement was signed between the Government of India, Government of Tripura, and Tripura Mocha. This agreement promises to address issues related to the indigenous people of Tripura. We also witnessed the successful resolution of insurgency issues. On September 5, 2024, the Union and Tripura government signed a memorandum of settlement with the National Liberation Front of Tripura and the All Tripura Tiger Force, disbanding these groups and bringing peace. I am proud to say that my government is on the path of transformation. With the support of the central government and the dedication to our state leadership, we are witnessing progress in every sector, from infrastructure to healthcare, education, agriculture, and the welfare of all communities. I am also happy to say that my government has adopted state's emblem, marking a historic milestone in showcasing state's diverse culture and heritage. The state faced severe floods and landslides during August 2024 due to unprecedented rainfall. Tragically, 38 lives were lost and about 3.7 lakh people were evacuated. I extend my heartfelt condolence to the members of the bereaved families. In agriculture sector, Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, 32.93 crores was contributed. Through PM Kishan, 790.53 crores were credited to 2.76 lakh farmers' bank accounts. Under National Mission for Edible Oil, 1,878 hectares were brought under palm oil cultivation, benefiting 1,861 farmers. My government encourages female literacy and is committed to providing higher education opportunities to girls. With this aim, Mukhyamantri Kanya Atmanirbhar Yojana was launched to provide free scooty to meritorious college-going female students. My government has approved the setting up of a private open university. Additionally, 3 new private universities have started academic activities in the state to enhance the scope